Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore affiliate product inventory updates with Shopify apps step by step clearly. To restore affiliate product inventory updates with Shopify apps, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the apps section in the left-hand menu. Search for an affiliate management app that suits your needs. Install the selected app by following the on-screen instructions. Once installed, open the app from your app list. Connect your affiliate program to the app, based on the prompts provided. Locate the settings or configuration option within the app. Ensure that inventory updates are enabled for your affiliate products. Next, check if the app requires any specific permissions to sync inventory. Review any documentation provided by the app for additional setup tips. Return to your Shopify admin and go to the Products section. Select a product that is part of your affiliate program. Verify that the affiliate tracking ID is correctly associated with the product. Now, scroll down to the Inventory section of the product page. Update the stock levels as necessary for your affiliate products. Then, return to the affiliate app and initiate a manual inventory sync. Monitor the sync status to ensure updates are processed correctly. If the inventory does not update, check for any error messages within the app. Adjust settings as needed based on any alerts or instructions provided. Once everything is correctly configured, test your setup. Make a trial purchase through your affiliate link to verify inventory accuracy. Confirm that stock levels reflect the changes you made. Monitor the system in the following days to ensure updates continue smoothly. Document any issues and reach out to app support if problems persist. This will ensure your affiliate inventory updates remain consistent and reliable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.